Now let's look at another marketing strategy that engineers can use: writing publications. This video is brought to you by Engineering PDH Courses, the online continuing education website for engineers in the business of engineering, where you can earn your professional development hours. If you've been watching our videos and like what we've been presenting so far, please push the like button and also subscribe to our channel, where you'll be notified when we have new videos on engineering business. Also, stay to the end of the video where we'll have a free offer just for you on the engineering business. If you're ready, let's go. Authors are experts in their fields, right? Most engineers never find the time to write an engineering article, and especially not writing a book on engineering. Only college professors and grad students write books. But wait a minute, don't we consider college professors as experts? With the advent of the internet and lately blogs and vlogs, it looks like everyone's getting into the act of writing. But most of the information found in these blogs on the internet is just repackaged verbiage for the masses to consume without any research or knowledge behind the words. That's where a civil engineer or a land surveyor with real experience can contribute immensely by offering information on real experiences. There are several ways to market your engineering services through writing. Some of the more common and not so common ways are as follows: writing articles for magazines and newspapers and blogs, writing booklets and guides to explain engineering processes and your company's services, preparing technical reports, designing and preparing technical drawings. Writing articles garnishes publicity not only for you, but also your engineering firm, and adds credibility and visibility to you as a civil engineer or as a land surveyor. This strategy includes writing articles or tips, reprinting previously published articles, writing a column, publishing a blog, and writing pamphlets, guides, manuals, and books. Writing a 1,500-word article for a newspaper or a magazine, it's really not that hard. In fact, trade magazines are always looking for articles from experts such as engineers. In addition, webmasters, newsletter editors, magazine editors, newspaper editors, and webmasters are all looking for articles. Next, let's look at booklets and pamphlets. Booklets and guides that explain the engineering process can be given to prospective clients, and you can take the articles in the booklets and pamphlets and guides and add them to the company website. In addition, in today's world of the internet, most people will actually do a search on your name to see what comes up. Over time, your name will populate with numerous articles and books and pamphlets that you have written, and the researcher will then identify you as a true expert in your field of engineering. Then when you walk into that prospective client's office to give your presentation, that credibility will follow you, and consequently will put you a step ahead of your competition. The engineer who is considered the expert will be a step ahead of all the other engineers. The engineer who is recognized as a step above the competition is the expert. Let's take a look at preparing technical reports. Most engineers are required to prepare and write hundreds of technical reports and to produce hundreds of technical drawings throughout their careers. The general public may never see these technical reports and drawings, but your prospective client will undoubtedly come across them sooner or later. Without question, you should develop a certain style to way you prepare and write your technical reports and technical drawings, while at the same time meeting the standards of the local entities. Technical reports, once they are written and approved, are not just archived and placed on a shelf in some room where no one will ever read again. Each time a technical report is written, it references previously approved reports on the same subject matter. Hence, there is a high probability that other civil engineers, architects, developers will see your technical reports sometime in the future. These are the same individuals that are your prospective clients. If a prospective client, such as an architect, knows that you have written several technical drainage studies in the area around his project, he will more than likely contact you and ask for a proposal, but only if your previous technical drainage studies were written well and approved quickly. If they were not written very well, he might not contact you, and he'll probably contact one of his other engineers. Let's say you're an engineer who prepares traffic reports. Then you would want to develop a reputation, a good reputation that you write reports that get approved, a good reputation that establishes you as an expert engineer in writing traffic impact analysis. The same is for an engineer who writes technical drain studies, water network analysis, geotechnical reports, or any other technical report. Expert technical writers will write a report once and get it reviewed and approved once. With that kind of reputation, prospective clients will take notice and will want you on their team. Now let's take a look at technical drawings. Developers and contractors are required to keep a copy of technical drawings in the field to build their projects. An easy to read, well structured, and well thought out drawing will garnish you and your firm a great deal of praise from the contractors and the developers. Cluttered drawings that are lacking in detail and sufficient information will have the opposite effect on the contractor and the developer. The developer's construction cost and time are vastly reduced with a well-designed and easy-to-read drawings. In addition, the developer will want you on all of his projects, knowing that he will receive the same quality of work from you. Well-written and prepared articles, reports, and drawings do act as marketing tools. These recorded documents represent you and your firm by showing the quality of work that your company produces. The readers of these articles and reports and drawings are also your prospective clients. It is best that these documents are well structured and organized, provide the necessary information, and are professionally produced. If you like our video, please hit the like button and also subscribe to this channel. Now, if you can go to the description down below, you will find a link. It is called the Engineering Business Audit Checklist. With this checklist, you'll be able to check the various components of your business and see how well you are doing. Also, in the right corner, you'll find a next video for marketing your engineering services.